One of the Ghanaian sweets is on a bill of fare today, Nkate cake or peanut brittle. This is very easy to put together and it is absolutely delicious. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. You fall in love with our recipe, you feel at home, so please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. To start with this, we have our 8 cups of peanut. How I roasted and then peeled the skin is on the channel, so kindly go through our videos. Thank you so much. Now I have with me here my 10 cups of sugar. Okay, we are just going to work on the sugar and then we will continue with the recipe. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful. I used 2 different phones to film this, so at this moment you can see that it doesn't look clear, but forgive me for that. Okay, we are on all social media platforms and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Thank you so much. For short videos, please follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. We share short videos there. Okay, yes, so follow us for more detailed videos. The 2 phones are the same phones though, but I don't understand that my husband's own looks very beautiful than mine. Maybe I did not clean the camera very well, so I'm very sorry for bringing you that clip you saw earlier. Okay, now you are going to enjoy very quality video from here till the end. Now it has melted very well and still we have something in there, so we are just going to wait patiently so that it will melt very well before we proceed. We have 3 channel. The name is Recipe Goddess. Please follow us there for more videos. On YouTube, Recipe Goddess. Thank you for doing that for me. So with the peanut, we crushed it in our blender and this is how it looks. We have just added it to the sugar. We will go ahead and then mix it very well. Please add it to it bit by bit so that you can get that perfect outcome we are looking for, and also make sure you speed up, okay, so that it will not become hard, or so that you will get that perfect outcome. Now we'll go ahead and then mix it very well till it becomes uniform. At this moment, the thing is even plentier than my hand. I have tiny hands, but we will get there. So mix it just how you are seeing on the screen for you to get that perfect outcome. Okay, yeah, you can decide to add the peanut to it without crushing it. I mean, adding it to the melted sugar without crushing it, and that is also okay. Yes, and you can as well mix your nuts. Maybe you mix the peanut with almond nut, cashew nut, and then you use it for this recipe. It's also perfect and it is so good. Now we are done mixing everything and just look at that. Absolutely beautiful. We don't have peanuts somewhere and then sugar somewhere. It has mixed very well. At this moment we have to make sure we prepare our working surface. So I have my baking sheet here. I will just pour all the peanut and then the sugar we mixed on it and then we work on it. Okay, yeah, so please just watch the screen and then you will love it. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please smash on the like button and then subscribe or follow for more videos? It is absolutely free. I'll be very grateful if you do that. So this is what we have, and I am just going to cut it. You can use your any you can cut it any way you want, okay, but this is how we do it in Ghana. That is the original shape that we have in Ghana. Sometimes they do it in square form as well, but I am going for this, or how you'll be seeing on the screen. Okay, when you get to this point, you make sure you speed up so that it does not become hard. If it becomes hard, it will be very difficult for you to cut it. So speed up so that you can get that perfect shape you are looking for. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I am so grateful. I'll be very happy if you go through our videos to watch other videos here, and then share to others. Leave your comment in the comment section. I'll be very grateful. Now you can see that it has started becoming hard. Yes, so after you are done with this, you have to make sure you separate it very fast so that they won't come together again. You see, it has come together again, so I had to remove it one by one again, and also make sure that I bring it to the chopping board. Yes, because at this point it was a bit hard. I was not able to speed up. Now after doing all that, this is how we are going to cut it, just like how you cut the polo, okay, I mean the Ghana coconut biscuit. Yes, if you are interested with that, you can check the channel and you'll see the recipe. So you cut it this way and you are good to go. At this moment I was like, oh my goodness, someone should come and help me. But you don't have anyone, so you have to speed up, okay? Yes, I hope this video was very helpful, and I hope you are going to try the recipe. You will love it. Just try this for the kids or even for yourself, and you will fall in love with it. Try with the variety of nuts, and trust me, you will love it. Okay, I have a video that I will be bringing very soon that I use different types of nuts, and trust me, it was so good. Just look at that, very beautiful. So we will proceed by cutting everything like this till we are done. Now we are done, and just look at that, absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.